Under Section 313 of the Emergency Planning and Community Right to Know Act, applicable facilities must submit annual reports to the EPA's Toxic Release Inventory Program. TRI reports are due July 1st each year, and late, missing, or inaccurate reports can incur significant penalties. You can follow these simple steps to handle your facility's annual TRI report. Step 1. Determine if you must report based on these criteria. Is your facility covered under the TRI program based on its North American Industry Classification System code? Does your facility employ 10 or more full-time employee equivalents? Did your facility manufacture, process, or otherwise use TRI-listed chemicals over threshold amounts during the calendar year? You must submit a TRI report if you answered yes to all three. Step 2. Complete TRI forms for all applicable chemicals. You must complete either a Form R or Form A for each TRI-listed chemical your facility has manufactured, processed, or otherwise used over threshold amounts. Most chemicals have a threshold of 25,000 pounds manufactured or processed, or 10,000 pounds otherwise used. However, chemicals of special concern can have lower thresholds. You can use Form A for chemicals that meet all of these criteria. The chemical is not a PBT chemical. The chemical has not been manufactured, processed, or otherwise used over 1 million pounds. The total annual waste management of the chemical does not exceed 500 pounds. The streamlined Form A only requires basic chemical identification information and your certification that the usage and waste management are below the required values. For all chemicals that do not meet those requirements, you must complete a Form R. This more detailed form includes data covering chemical usage, releases, waste management, and pollution prevention. Step 3. Submit your TRI report through TRI-MEweb. You can submit your annual TRI report through the EPA's TRI-MEweb software, and you can access TRI-MEweb through EPA's Central Data Exchange. Through this portal, you can prepare forms or upload prepared submission data. Then, review and sign your report to complete the submission. ERA's TRI reporting software automates evaluating your chemical data to identify reportable chemicals and ensure complete and accurate reporting. Instead of filling out individual forms for each chemical, you can let the software handle the process and provide a convenient file for final upload to TRI-MEweb. You can see ERA's software in action by clicking the card on screen or the link in the description to watch a walkthrough of our TRI reporting workflow. Be sure to comment any questions below and subscribe for more videos on environmental reporting.